Sierra continues a long tradition of service as well. As a closely held family business, Sierra's commitment to personalized attention and complete integrity is widely recognized.
The roots of Sierra started with metal recycling back in 1959. Sierra has been rooted in the metal recycling industry for many decades. But back in 1983, Sierra's yard was completely different. We were all dirt, we weren't paved, we had no concrete. So the vision of my father was always to have the cleanest and most organized metal recycling facility there is. Much has changed since 1959, but it's the vision of my father that also led us into the equipment manufacturing industry, to where we provide the best quality equipment for our customers in the metal recycling world. Today, Sierra is the leading manufacturer of 2-ram balers in the world. Our balers are manufactured here in the United States at our factory in Jessup, Georgia. This factory is state-of-the-art with over 96,000 square feet of manufacturing capacity. Our innovations, our technology, and our investment in our engineering has created these great machines for the world to use today. Sierra has invested heavily in our parts and service department over the years. And today here in Bakersfield, California, we stock close to $20 million of our cost in parts. But we always invest in technologies. These technologies help us better serve our customers, like our VSU, our vertical shelving unit, which automatically stores many parts and keeps them in a very controlled environment. This way we can better support our customers to provide them the parts and service they need to keep their machines running, no matter where you are in the world. Sierra is always investing in technology. It's in our tracking system, in our ticketing system. Sierra is putting the money back into our service department to give our customers better service, because we're always striving at Sierra to be better. Not the best, because every day we're trying to be better.